What's up, internet family? Now, welcome to another session of our series. Now, in this session, we're going to discuss about data structures. Now, we're going to understand what data structure entails, what data structure is all about, and how data structure is connected to algorithms and how to use them in programming. Now, remember, just an echo of what data structure entails is first, we're going to understand that data structure is different in different programming languages. So, in our programming language that we're going to be using in this episode is JavaScript. Now, first, with that said, let us jump into our data structure. Now, what is data structure? A data structure is a way to store and organize data so that it can be used efficiently. Another definition, you can also say a data structure is a collection of data values, the relationship among them, and the functions or operations that can be applied to that data. Now, for you to call a set of elements or organization of data as data structure, there are principles that has to be followed. Now, I'll explain that. I'll explain that to you in our next episode. Now, first and foremost, why do we learn data structures? Remember, almost every application we build involves data structure that is modeled in a certain way. To efficiently manage that data, you need data structures. So for you to manage the data that you're going to be using in programming, rather in modeling an application, you have to use data structures. For instance, imagine walking into a library only to find out that there is no efficient organization of the books, or they are stored randomly. That is, the book that you're trying to look into, it is not where you're supposed to find it. So this is going to be a chaotic task. So for you to have efficient way of identifying the kind of the books that you want, it's an instance of using a data structure. So in data structures, you can store the data accordingly, where you can be able to access the data, the certain data that you want to be using. With that said, we will look into different type of data structures, and with that we will see it in our next episode of our series. I'll see you in the next episode of the series.